Are you looking for a new platform to sell your products or services? Let me introduce you to Raket.ph. So yung Raket.ph ay go-to marketplace ito ng mga Filipino freelancers, sellers, and entrepreneurs. Hi, it's Emigrace and welcome back to my channel. So today, ang share ko sa inyo ay paano ba tayo magbenta sa Raket.ph. So from easy registration, easy to kasi mamaya makikita nyo kung gaano lang kadali mag-register sa Raket.ph hanggang sa pagsiset-up ng ating products or services. So, whether kayo ay creative person or kaya naman ay freelancers or digital product sellers or mga online sellers, so this platform is perfect for you. Perfect din ito para doon sa mga kagaya ko na homeschooling mom na naghahanap kung paano tayo kikita habang nasa bahay. Are you ready? So, let's get started. First, what is Raket.ph? So, yung Raket.ph, it's a Filipino marketplace where you can sell anything, literal na anything. So, from freelance services, like for example, you're a graphic artist or kaya naman ay into writing, pwede yan sa Raket.ph. To physical and digital products. So, like for example, ito yung mga templates or kaya naman ay mga crafts and then mga merch. Pwede din yan sa Raket.ph. So, why choose Raket.ph? Number one, because it is specifically designed to the Philippine market. So, dito yan nakabase sa Philippines. And then, number two, ay easy-to-use platform ito for sellers and buyers. So, if you're looking for a Pinoy-focused platform na pwede mong showcase yung talent mo or yung products mo, worth checking itong Raket.ph. So, here's a quick and easy guide para matulungan kayo kung paano kayo magre-register sa Raket.ph. Number one step ay magpunta lang tayo sa Raket.ph website, which is www.raket.ph at i-click nyo lang yung sign up. So, meron kayo dyang makikita na iba't ibang sign up options. So, pwede kayo mamili kahit na alin dito. So, pwedeng sign up with Facebook, sign up with Google, sign up with LinkedIn, or kaya naman ay sign up with email. So, pili lang kayo dito. And then, after nyo na mag-sign up with kung ano man yung preferred na sign up option nyo, ay i-fill out nyo lang yung inyong details. Like, for example, yung inyong name, email address, and password. So, make sure lang na tama lahat ng mga ito, especially yung email address ninyo at yung password ninyo. And then, i-verify nyo yung inyong email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. That's why, importante na tama yung email address ninyo. Dahil dito, isa-send ni Raket.ph yung confirmation link, which is yun yung i-click ninyo para ma-verify ninyo yung inyong email address. And then, pwede na kayong mag-login to your account and para makumpleto na din ninyo yung inyong seller profile. So, ito yung mga kailangan natin tandaan pag nagsiset up tayo ng profile sa Raket.ph. So, kailangan natin pumili ng rocket ship link or kaya ay username. Number 2 ay kailangan natin mag-add ng profile picture. Number 3 ay kailangan din natin mag-add ng cover photos. And then, number 4 ay magsusulat tayo ng headline and a short bio. So, importante na malinaw yung profile photo natin at short and then catchy naman yung bio natin. Hindi naman natin kailangan ng mahaba, basta catchy, iyon ang importante. And then, make sure lang din na yung contact information natin ay updated para easy yung communication natin with the buyers. So, once you're done, congratulations because you're now ready to start selling. Next ay i-set up naman natin yung ating product listing. So, madali lang naman mag-product list sa Raket.ph. So, unang gagawin natin ay pumunta lang tayo sa ating dashboard. And then, makikreate natin or mananavigate natin yung product section natin dyan sa Edit Your Raket Ship. So, i-click nyo lang yan and then meron kayo makikita dyan na screen na meron nakalagay na Add a New Product. So, i-click nyo lang yung Add a New Product to create a listing. So, meron kayo makikita dyan na dalawang options, digital download and physical goods. So, kung kayo ay magli-list ng mga digital products, ang i-click nyo dyan ay yung digital download. Pag naman, ang ibebenta ninyo ay physical products, so ang i-click nyo dyan or ititik nyo ay yung physical good. For this particular video, ang i-click natin ay yung digital download kasi magbebenta tayo ng digital product. So, i-click nyo lang yan as the product type. And then now, ay pwede na tayong mag-add ng mga product details. Now, you can choose from the provided templates na meron si Raket.ph and then i-edit nyo lang yung details or kaya naman ay pwede nyo din i-click yung add from scratch. fill in nyo lang lahat ng mga necessary details dito such as the product name, description, and then add media samples that showcase the product you're selling. So yung next step ay mag-upload lang tayo ng ating digital product file. So meron kayong dalawang options dito. It's either mag-upload kayo ng file or kaya naman ay i-redirect yung buyer to a URL. Either way, ensure lang natin na yung product or yung digital product files natin are properly formatted and easily accessible by the buyer upon purchase. So yung next step ay set a price. So mag-decide lang kayo ng reasonable price para sa inyong product listing. And the next step ay to review and publish your listing. So makikita nyo doon sa set a price no, na merong save and publish. Do not click it yet kasi i-double check nyo muna yung inyong product listing. For any errors, ensure nyo lang na accurate yung pricing nyo and make sure na yung description nyo ay engaging. So once you're satisfied, i-click nyo yung save and publish to make your listing live on the RaketPh product marketplace. And finally, the last step is to promote your listing. So pwede nyo i-promote yung listing nyo sa inyong mga social media platforms. So now, the question is, why should you consider selling on RaketPh? So ito lang yung ibang mga benefits no, na perfect para sa mga Pinoy sellers. Number 1 ay wala itong mga hefty fees or mga additional fees na kinakailangan na bayaran ng isang seller no, compared to other platforms. Number 2 ay direct access ito sa Filipino buyers looking for your products or services. And then, meron din itong supportive community of sellers and buyers within the platform. So, ilan lang ito sa mga benefits ng pagbebenta sa RaketPh. And that's it, a quick guide to selling on RaketPh. So, madali lang diba na mag-register at mag-set up ng shop sa RaketPh. Now, if you are ready to start your Raket, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this at kung paano tayo kikita habang nasa bahay. Thanks so much everyone for watching and I hope that I'll see you again on my next one. God bless everyone and I will see you around. Bye!